Hello everyone, welcome back. So today it's going to be another one of my quick impromptu, pretty much unedited videos which I do sometimes once a week, and these are usually unboxings, often of an older or vintage type of fragrance. This one has something else at the beginning because I want to announce the winner of the competition, the giveaway that I did a few videos back to win a bottle of Bentley for Men Intense, which is going to be kindly provided to the winner by Notnio UK, and you can pick this one up along with a load of other great fragrances for really good prices on Notnio UK if you're not the lucky winner. So Bentley for Men Intense, really nice patchouli, rum, heavy, masculine scent, great for winter, one of my favourites. And the winner, which I drew at random from the comments of people who said count me in the last video, is Neil Francis. So congratulations to Neil Francis. I've tried to get in contact with you, but I haven't quite succeeded yet. So hopefully you're going to watch this video and just email me. My email address is in the description of the video, and we can get the bottle sent out for you. So congratulations to him. Anyway, now into the unboxing. I think I know what's in the box. I've received a couple of things this week, so by a process of elimination, I think I know what we're going to have here, but you don't yet, so let's find out. I've got a knife, and I'm going to, in my usual clumsy way, it's kind of hard to do this on camera, I'm going to get this baby open. So, it seems to be well packaged. It's been bought on eBay, this one, and it's a fragrance that's been out quite a few years. It's actually 20 years since this fragrance was first released back in 1998, a designer fragrance. And I've got what I think is the old formula. As with so many fragrances, the formula's changed over the years, and I believe the older one is recognizable, that you're going to get that if you get the bottle with a certain type of logo on it, which this one seems to have. Okay, so hope I'm not rocking the camera too much. Let's see what we've got here. So some bubble wrap at the top and a lot of chopped up bits of newspaper or magazine. It's one way of doing it. It's going to be a bit messy, this one, but I guess that's all part of the fun. And in here somewhere we have the item in question. Don't know what that's there for, but anyway. So the shape might give you a little bit of a clue here. And it seems to be wrapped in some pink stuff. So they've gone to town with the wrapping, making my job all the more difficult. My scissors have also broken. Taped them up there, but they've come apart. So probably need to work on my unboxing equipment a little bit. But let's see if we can get this open. Here it comes. Okay. So kind of a trapezium triangle type of shape might give you guys a clue. And there it is. So they've got some pink tissue around it. They've certainly wrapped it well. I'd rather they over wrapped it than under, because I want it to arrive safely in one piece. So the fragrance in question is this one, and it's Givenchy Pi. Now I believe that because we have a small pi symbol, that's the mathematical symbol pi at the bottom there, that tells us it's the old formula, and they changed it to a larger symbol higher up the bottle at some point, at which point many people believed the fragrance suffered and wasn't quite as good after that. Presumably the performance not as good. So this one, a 1998 release. Perfumer on this one, Alberto Morillas. And the notes, according to Fragrantica, are basil, rosemary, tarragon, mandarin neroli, geranium, lily of the valley, anise, vanilla, cedar, tonka, benzoin, almond, and yellow sugar, whatever that is. So I'll do a couple of sprays and I'll give you my impression. Of course, I've smelt the modern one in the shops many times. It's a really nice vanilla fragrance, quite powdery and vanillic, very unisex smelling. And it's a one that I've quite liked, but not quite enough to buy it. Let's see if having this vintage one makes it all the better. So 2 sprays, 2.5, and let's tell you what this one smells like. So yeah, it is a really pleasant vanilla scent, very, very unisex. There's nothing overly floral or really, really girly, so I guess that makes it kind of appropriate for men to wear this one. Released in 1998, and I think it had some marketing to do with astronauts at the time. Very, very powdery, musky vanilla fragrance. Tonka bean, I definitely pick up on that tonka note, and I tend to like tonka. You know, it might be a little bit reminiscent of things like, oh God, what's the name of it? The Gourmand fragrance. Fave Delicious. I mean Dior, sorry, not Galan. Dior's Fave Delicious. A little bit like that maybe, and that's a really, really nice gourmand type fragrance. I'd definitely characterise this as gourmandish. Does have a nice kind of undertone of, ironically, as it's a top note, the kind of lemony or mandarin, a little bit of that citrus element. Very, very pleasant. Never been an absolute mega favourite of mine, but on first sniffing, quite taken with this vintage formula. Maybe that's just got that little bit more clout than the old version. So let me know if you've tried Givenchy Pi, even in its modern version or the old one, and what you think about it. Is it worthy of a place in my collection, or should I perhaps sell it on and try and make money on it? I'm not somebody who's done that much, but just lately I have started to sell on a few things that I buy on eBay, and I've got a few fragrances for sale, in fact, some of which I haven't put on eBay. So if you're in the UK and you're interested to know about things Mr. Smelly is selling, some of them at pretty reasonable prices, some really rare vintage stuff, and some other stuff that I've got for sale, more modern releases, then just email me in the email in the description below, and I'll be happy to send you a list. If you're in the UK, you might get a good deal on a really nice fragrance. So thank you very much for watching. As ever, remember, whatever you're doing in life, let's project. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.